In this video, we will learn CVC words from the AM family like cam, jam, ham, and yam. Let's read, spell, and have fun together.
A M
M
K
M
K A M
cam cam. Let's repeat it again. Cam
A M
M
D
M
D A M
dam dam. Let's repeat it again. Dam
A M
M
H
M
H A M
ham ham. Let's repeat it again. Ham
A M
M
J
M
J A M jam jam
Let's repeat it again.
jam A M
M
Y
M
Y A M
yam yam. Let's repeat it again. Yam. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.